Hi everyone, I'm Fernanda Lopez, Customer Success Engineer here at Zenphi, and welcome back to AI Enablement Bites, where we show you how to unlock AI for your operations one bite at a time. Today we're talking about one of the biggest headaches for customer success teams, renewals. Renewals are critical, but they're also time-consuming. You have to track renewal dates, send reminders at the same time, follow up when there's no response, analyze customer health to spot churn risk, and then escalate approvals if a discount or exception is needed. According to industry benchmarks, nearly 30% of churn happens simply because renewal follow-ups aren't done on time. And for small customer success teams, keeping it manually isn't realistic. That's where Zenphi comes in. With Zenphi, you can design complete renewal reminder workflows in minutes. Let me show you how to build a whole workflow from scratch. To be able to set up this flow, we're going to be using our timer trigger. We'll have this flow run every single month, and what it'll do is check the last 30 days. It will have a list of the different contract data, which we can see here in a Google Sheet. That way, it'll keep track of wherever your CRM is storing this data and be able to let you know who has 30 days or less before their renewal. It'll check if the renewal is in the next 30 days, and if so, it'll create a custom email for the client. This AI model will ensure that the email is friendly, and you can even modify the prompt according to your needs. What would you like your email to be about? Should it just send a renewal reminder? Do you want a customer to schedule a call with your team before that? Here you're able to modify the system instructions and provide any information it may need. So for example, their name, the billing name, the end date, as well as the current plan, and that way you can return the subject and the body. In this case, we have the emails from the Google Sheet. However, you can pull this information from your CRM system. In this case, we're using HubSpot, but if you use something like Monday.com, Zoho, or Salesforce, you can use your CRM as well. Then simply use the send email action to be able to send this AI-generated email to your client hassle-free. Take it one step further, you can find that contact's information within your CRM, in this case HubSpot, and be able to add a note indicating that the renewal email has been sent out. What other workflows that will utilize AI in your customer success job can you build using Zenphi? What about being able to spot churning before it happens? You can easily build out another workflow that would run, let's say, once a week. If you store your product usage somewhere, maybe, let's say, BigQuery, for example, and I assume you do, you can connect Zenphi to BigQuery, and then in one single click, you can add a Gemini model, for example, to be able to analyze this weekly data. You can drop a spreadsheet that contains information for your support tickets, for example, be able to run a sentiment analysis on them, ask Gemini to be able to flag accounts at risk, and even send a summary directly into your Google Chat channel. That way no one has to manually crunch numbers, check dashboards. The insights will just show up and your team will already know what's going on. So to recap, Zenphi is very helpful when it comes down to automating customer success and customer support tasks. It allows your team to be able to build flexible yet fully customizable workflows and embed AI right inside those workflows. All operations will be running inside Google Workspace, so you can easily operationalize AI for renewals, no extra tools, no code. This means more proactive churn management and faster approvals.